Hello and welcome to ICICI Prudential Pension Fund Management Company Limited's online NPS journey. The objective of this video is to take you through the key steps of the NPS online journey, help you fill the form quickly, and ensure that you're able to open your NPS account successfully. The NPS application form has 6 steps to register, like personal details, bank and contact details, scheme and nominee details, your KYC, your FATCA details, and your payment details. For a smooth application form filling experience, we recommend that you use Chrome browser. This is the first page of the application form. To save you time, we have already pre-selected some options and we can pre-populate your data using your Aadhaar or PAN card. First, let's look at the journey using PAN card. If you're registering with PAN card, then there are few documents that you have to keep handy before filling the form. First is a self-attested scanned copy of proof of identity. Ensure that the maximum size of the file does not exceed 5 MB. Next is a self-attested scanned copy of proof of address. Ensure that the maximum size does not exceed 5 MB. You will need a scanned copy of cancelled check or bank passbook. Again, ensure that the maximum size of the file does not exceed 5 MB. You will need a scanned copy of color photograph. Ensure that the maximum size of the photo does not exceed 50 KB. You can use your mobile phone to take a photograph against a white wall. Next is a scanned copy of your signature. You can use your mobile phone to scan your signature. Ensure that the maximum size does not exceed 50 KB. And finally, you will need a scanned copy of your PAN card. Ensure that the size does not exceed 1 MB. Now let's get started with the form. First section is your personal details. Ensure all fields with the red asterisks are successfully filled. You will need to enter your mobile number here, generate an OTP and verify the same. Next, click on Generate Acknowledgement Number. Here you will get an acknowledgement number which is valid for 15 days. This acknowledgement number is also sent on your registered email and mobile number. We also recommend that you save this as a PDF or take a printout of the same. Next section is your contact and bank details. Ensure all mandatory fields are successfully filled. In the next section, you will have to fill your scheme preferences and add your nominees. You can choose your asset allocation based on your risk appetite or opt for the auto choice prescribed by PFRDA. You can add a maximum of 3 nominees in your account, ensuring the allocation adds up to 100%. Now it's time to upload all the documents that we had kept ready in the initial stage. Ensure there is a green tick mark after you upload the document. Next is the FATCA details. Fill as applicable. Finally, we arrive on the payment page. You can use multiple options to make payments and claim additional deduction of Rs 50,000 under Section 80 CCD 1B. If you want to further save time and pre-populate your personal and address details, then you can use the Aadhaar method to sign up. With the Aadhaar method, you don't have to fill in your personal and address details, and you also don't need to upload your photograph. The same gets pre-populated through your Aadhaar details. You need to e-verify your Aadhaar card, keep a scanned copy of your signature, a scanned copy of your PAN card, and a cancelled check copy. Now let's see how does the Aadhaar paperless eKYC process works. You need to visit the website mentioned on the screen, enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number, the CAPTCHA code, and press on Send OTP. Once you receive the OTP, you need to enter a 4-digit number in this particular field, enter the OTP, and press Download. Once you press Download, you will receive a zip file which needs to be uploaded on your application form. Now you need to enter the 4-digit number you had mentioned in the Aadhaar website, your mobile number, your email ID, your PAN card number, and the CAPTCHA code. Once the validation is completed, you can now fill other fields in the form like the scheme preference, nominee details, and payment details. On successful completion of the form, you will receive your PRAN number and your ePRAN kit on your registered email ID. So if you have any doubts about the NPS application form or want more information about NPS, then you can visit us on www.icicipropensionfund.com or write to us on npsassist@iciciprulife.com. Happy retirement planning!